Legends of Learning presents the Gears game. This is a math game that makes learning about comparing two-digit numbers fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, search your way through a factory littered with traps and treasure. Turn the gears to move a platform to get to the objective. In this game by Zap Zap Math, students will compare single-digit numbers by using the greater than, equal to, and less than symbols to record the results of the comparison. Help a robot find treasure that is trapped in a factory. Your goal is to solve inequality equations to insert the correct gears into the machine so the robot is able to move from one platform to another. Use your mouse to click and drag and drop the correct gear to the machine. An incorrect answer will cost you a life. A correct answer will gain you a life. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.